Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to redeem codes in BTD6. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to launch the game. Open BTD6 on your device. Make sure you are on the main menu screen. The following step is to access the store. Look for the store icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the store menu. The third step is to navigate to the code section. In the store menu, find the redeem code option. This may be located in a tab or a button within the store interface. The second last step is to enter your code. Type in the code exactly as it appears. Make sure to check for any mistakes such as incorrect letters or numbers. The last step is to confirm and claim rewards. After entering the code, tap on the redeem button. If the code is valid, you will receive your rewards immediately. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.